Good morning, guys. Today is nail day, and before getting ready for the day, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the skincare that I've been using lately. Everyone that watches my video thinks I have clear skin, but ever since I started doing nails, I've been wearing a mask to prevent myself from breathing in too much dust. And it has been breaking my skin out, especially when I'm stressed or I'm not eating right. If you've been watching my recent videos, you probably know that I've been focusing more on my skincare and I'm trying new products and new skincare routines. I've been obsessed with Wonyoung lately. She's like the it girl of Korea right now, and watching videos of her made me want to try even harder to find the right skincare routine for me. So I wanted to introduce some skincare products that I've been using from Beplain, which is a Korean skincare brand. I've been trying out their products for a little bit more than a month, and it worked really well for my skin, which is why I wanted to show you today. So this morning I used the Greenful pH Balance Cleansing Foam, which is actually the #1 cleansing foam in Olive Young and Hwahae. This cleansing foam is made of mung bean powder and extract, which is known to purify skin. It's very gentle, so even if you have sensitive skin, it won't irritate it. And I really like how it cleanses everything, but it doesn't strip off the natural oils on my face. So next I used the Cicaterol Toner. So when I have time or I feel that my skin is too sensitive or it's red, then I use this on a cotton pad and just leave it on my skin for a few minutes before continuing on with my skincare. But when I'm in a rush, I just like to apply this on the palms of my hand and then just tap it in. And then I use the Cicaterol Ampoule. This ampoule contains centella, like the toner, but it also contains LHA, which is apparently the hottest ingredient used by Korean celebrities to maintain their clear skin. Many of you guys have probably heard of BHA or PHA, but LHA is actually a more gentle formula that helps treat acne for even people with sensitive skin, and it also renews the skin. It's also vegan formulated and clinically tested to soothe skin in 10 minutes. This is one of my favorite products from Beplain just because I really love how it feels on the skin. It's so refreshing, and it also makes my skin look very healthy and glowy. Lastly, I use the Cicaterol Moisturizer, and as you can tell, within like a month or two, I already used a lot of it. I feel like a lot of moisturizers, especially cream type ones, they tend to feel too heavy for me and leave extra oils on the face that I don't really need. But I really like how for this one, I can apply as much as I want and it doesn't feel too heavy. This moisturizer includes metocasticide, which fights inflammation and acne, and panthenol, which improves skin hydration and elasticity. I'm done getting ready. I was originally going to cook and pack lunch, but I think I'm gonna run late since it's a new kitchen and I just take way longer to cook here. I think I'm gonna stop by Sweet Greens to get a salad. I love sweet green salad. just finished nail day and I'm gonna head to the bus stop, but I'm gonna stop by the salon to see how the awning is going. They told me that they are going to change it today, but I'm not sure if they did. So I'm just gonna go and check. So I just got ready for bed, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Beplain, and I'll see you guys in my next video.